Good day, everybody. Today is the 16th of January. It's 17:50 or 5:50 p.m. my time. Just wanted to let you know there are some winners. Well, one winner in the market right now in crypto. So let me just pull that up before I get started. Make sure you get on an email list if you're interested in what I do or what you're about to see. If you're interested in learning about crypto, it's going to be a very integral part of our future. As inflation kicks in, financial security is going to be a big problem. So cryptocurrency is going to be helping you with that. So you're going to have to know how to find the winners. Also, if you are fairly technical, I've got a Python infrastructure bot course. You can learn that as well. So let's get over to our winner. Here we are with the winner. This is Near. You can see here it's moved up. So in the last 24 hours, since yesterday at 3:18 p.m., 2200, which is what 10 p.m. Sorry. So you can see here on the last swing, the price was at 1880, peaked here at 2045, and it's dropped back a little bit down to 2019. So that is your 10% winner right now. That's done really well. Now, if you look at my database right here, the market is very tight right there. That's the way to move an average of the top 13, 14, 15 coins over the last hour. And when I try to showcase that, this is where we're at right now, the last number of hours, is that the markets are very tight, okay? So there's not a lot of movement. These are very tight conditions to trade in, but there's still opportunities out there. Now, the key to it all is being on Binance.com. The out of Asia have confirmed they're still the servers are out of Japan, Tokyo, so that's still valid. But there was only maybe half an hour where the markets were over one. That's when you could start really making money. As the entire a bunch of coins will move up in momentum, but most of it's been very negative over the last 1 or 2 days. So that's pretty tough. So when you go back to this, we have our usual watch list. Here you can see what's moving. I'll show you the first initial batch on the watch list, which were these ones. ICP had a few upswings, nothing to brag about. Luna was stable for the last 24 hours, starting to pick up a little bit. These are all 15-minute charts. I've shown you Near as well. Another one that looked like it was moving up was CRV. We picked up some nice swings in the last few days on that. Namely here, that was on January 14th. But you can see it's downward trending right now. So this is the latest batch here on the watch list. So I've shown you ICP, Luna, Near, CRV. Looks like it's picking up a little bit. Out of that, we got Sand and YFI. So let me show you those. Now, so if you look at Sand is not doing a whole lot. Well, I should say that, but you can see this massive swing here, 478 to 504, and it's just dropped back. So somebody's trying to do something there, maybe a news story, but it just doesn't have the momentum to sustain the price level compared to like Luna or some other coins that have already highlighted in the last few days. When you look at another coin that occasionally gets some attention is YFI. But again, it's one of those coins that just occasionally pops. Let's check that out. You can see it's moving up. It's staying stable. That's the key to it all. But obviously you want to focus on the top performers. So in this case, yesterday it went from 31,600 to about 3,300. So about 5% swing there and stabilized and may leg up a little bit. It's very random right now. So that's pretty well the movers, I would think, but Near's the winner so far. But again, that can change. As you can see here, like if I showed you the hourly chart, it's legging up, it's trending up, so that's good. So that's the hourly. On the daily, looking good there as well. So that's a decent coin to watch. All right, so we'll leave it at that. Thanks for watching, and don't forget, as a recap, make sure you visit our quantlabs.shop. These two products are very steeply discounted right now. As you can see, the prices here are $97. These will go up in the next few days as we continue to move on with our pricing. I'll be bringing out some new products and services, a subscription-based service for this, more at a high level analytical. People want automated execution with bots. I've done that over the last year or two with not great success for people. It's just the technology for it, setting it up, it's just a real pain. So I'm going to try to just put out general reports on it. Also, I'll be doing some mentoring as well, one-on-one. That will be a monthly program, once a week kind of deal. It'll be fairly affordable for those that may want to jump on that as well. So keep your eyes out for that as well. We shall talk to you later. Thanks for watching.